Hi Mark, this is Merrill. It's been a long time that we've been together, possibly around 1995 or 96. I'm not sure of the time, but since then I've taken approximately 70 courses and learned a great deal from you. There are many people who affect your life. I have 3 or 4. My father, the scout leader, and my swimming coach, and you. I knew nothing about woodworking before you, and I not only learned about woodworking, but I learned about living a normal and God-fearing life. I have been a fortunate man, and it's due to my love of Jesus Christ that's made the difference. I wish you all the best. I would wish I was there. But unfortunately, Wyoming is calling me because the weather is nicer, the mountains are more beautiful. But you are a wonderful man. May God bless you, your family, and this wonderful woodworking school.